What is up, everybody? This is Vick Almighty with Reshoevn8r, and today we're going to be taking care of the all-white Converse SHAI 001s. Now, this is an interesting sneaker. We'll talk about the overall design in just a bit. I've never cleaned this shoe up, but I will say this. If Reshoevn8r could clean up this all-white sneaker, they can clean up any of the SHAIs. Let's get to work and see how cleanable the sneaker really is. Now, in general, when it comes to any cleaning, you want to determine the game plan before you start scrubbing the shoes. In this specific case, it's an all-white sneaker covered in grime and dirt. I for sure need to use our solution and our brushes. The thing is, there's a chance that it might not clean up all the way. That's when we're gonna have to bust out the washing machine. But we'll get there when we get there. For now, I'm gonna put this shoe to the side and only focus on the right. Like I mentioned, the shoe is all white, but it does contain a lot of different materials. We have the rubber. I'm not exactly sure what this material is. It's not leather. It's definitely not nubuck. It's soft though. I'm gonna say it's some sort of Durabuck material, but again, I'm not exactly sure. I'm kind of scared of that material. I've never really cleaned it before, but again, this is what this video is all about. This top piece is more of a fabric with some line texture all around. Got some plastic hardware, some mesh on the tongue. Obviously, you have your zipper. There's about 4 or 5 different materials. The goal is to get the shoe as white as possible. So I'm gonna start taking the shoe apart. I'm gonna take out the shoelace and insole. Both of those parts gotta get cleaned up separately. This really is an interesting design. The zipper mechanism kind of remind me of the Gary Payton's. The glove is a way better sneaker though than this one, if you ask me. Next, we're gonna grab the shoe tree, adjust the size. These are a size 9.5, so should be all right. Keep the zipper open, that way we can clean up the inside. Now, as always, before I start scrubbing the shoe with water and solution, you gotta do some prep work. That means I'm gonna grab the soft bristle brush, dry as is with no water or solution. I'm gonna start dry brushing the entire sneaker. You can see right there's a lot of dust. Some of it will come off. All right, that looks about 10% better. Sometimes it makes a world of a difference. In this case, it removes some of the dust. One thing's for sure though, you wanna do this no matter what. The last thing you wanna do is push that dirt and grime deeper into the shoe. Now, I'm gonna grab our solution. All you need is 2 squirts inside our bowl of water. This stuff is highly concentrated and can last forever. Now at this point, prep is fully complete. Let's start cleaning up the sneaker. Once again, I'm gonna be using a soft bristle brush, this time with some water and solution. That first scrub is always the most satisfying. Now for this part, the goal is to get the entire shoe full of suds, scrub in a circular motion, take your time, just let the bristles do all the work. All right, I'm about 5 minutes scrubbing this upper. It's looking really good. I do see a couple of stains, so I'm gonna keep on scrubbing. One thing you don't wanna miss though is the sock liner and the inside part. Trust me, the insides matter just as much as the outsides. So much bacteria and germs get stuck inside. Honestly, not bad. Get all the suds off before I give you guys a final review. Honestly, after the first pass over, not bad. A lot of the brown and black fully came out. You can still see a couple of stains here and there. Might be worse in person. Same right here. But overall, I'm not too worried about it. I'm gonna move on to our next brush, which is a medium bristle. For this brush, I'm basically gonna hit the entire upper once again. It has slightly stiffer bristles, so I'm hoping I can get some of these stains fully out. Good to go with the medium bristle brush. We did all I could on these uppers. Before I move on from this brush, I'm gonna give this insole a good scrub as well. You guys want my opinion? This is a cool shoe. The player that wears them, not so much. Best Canadian basketball player of all time, Steve Nash. Ain't that right, Steve-O? Final brush, the stiff bristle brush. For this one, we're gonna be taking care of these outsoles to get them back to original white. Not gonna lie, that was probably one of the toughest outsoles I've ever had to clean. This sole has crazy grip. The brush kept on getting stuck, but if you ask me, that sole looks pretty good. Last step we gotta do is throw the shoe in the washing machine. There's a couple of stains here and there that didn't fully come out, specifically on the fabric areas. Once you put them in the washing machine with our Reshoevn8r laundry sheets, I'm confident that all that stuff is gonna get fully flushed out. Real quick, before we go over there to the washer, I'm gonna grab the shoelace, prep it up in our leftover solution and water to break down the grime as well. Around here, nothing goes to waste. Give it a good scrub. And yes, this does make a difference. And for the final piece, our Reshoevn8r laundry bag. I'm gonna throw everything inside to keep everything contained and safe. So we are just putting one shoe in the laundry bag. Just so you know though, this laundry bag does fit both shoes. Lock it up, double knot for extra security. And to the washer we go. Now for the washing machine, just need cold water with the regular cycle and our Reshoevn8r sheets. So I got this shoe out of the washing machine. After 1 hour underneath the Arizona sun, these are the final results. Honestly, easy sneaker to clean up, you guys. No issues at all. All the grime and dirt got fully flushed out of the fabric material thanks to our Reshoevn8r kit and the washing machine. This is one of those shoes that you don't have to worry about. Even afterwards, there is no suede that you have to reset. Everything is good as is. At this point, just gotta lace it up. All right, this looks good. Way better with the shoe zipped up all the way. Now this right here is one of those sneakers that you don't have to worry about. During the cleaning process, I saw zero issues. Same thing after I took the shoe out of the washing machine. I will say this though, if I just grabbed the shoes and I threw them in the washing machine without any proper prep work or cleaning up the shoe first, you would not get the same exact results you see right here. The cleaning process and the prep work is essential to any cleaning. It helps break down all the grime and dirt with our Reshoevn8r solution. Afterwards, all the washing machine really does is fully flush out the dirt that we weren't able to pull out. You can find all our products at Reshoevn8r.com. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you guys.